Alright guys, I have two books to open. One's a new book and one's an older book. I'm going to save the best one for the last. I did get to finally go to a couple yard sales, but I didn't find anything yet. I've been listing stuff on eBay. Alright. Alright, this is What If Miles Morales Became Wolverine. Got that cover. I just thought it was a cool cover. So I normally don't get too many new books, but kind of a cool cover, so I picked that one up. And this book's supposed to be in really good shape. It looked in really good shape. It looks in pretty good shape from what I can see. It's a Submariner number 59. It's versus Thor on the cover. I paid, I think, $29 plus shipping for it. And it's definitely in pretty decent shape. Has a couple little defects in it. But I think this book's at a really good, decent price right now in the market, so decided to pick it up. Might have some decent potential to grow, especially when he comes into the MCU eventually. Hopefully he does. Alright guys, just wanted to show you what I bought, and hopefully next week I'll get to some flea markets and yard sales, maybe show you some finds. And please hit the thumbs up, subscribe button if you haven't, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.